Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. The coupon code is AGERM35. I'm going to put the website for the subscription box down there below in the description bar, and you will also see the coupon code down there, okay? So let's go ahead, open this up and see what we got inside. The theme is Morning Frost, and it looks like it's going to be really cute. I love these leaves here, or like little twigs. They're so cute. And it looks like we have some of these amazing, it's like a frosted bead. I bought those many years ago. They're really awesome. And in case you're new to this box, here is the list of materials. I'm going to go over this with you guys. And if you want to reorder anything, you go to dollarbead.com to reorder these items, because Dollar Bead makes the curated bead box. Understand what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and see. And then always, there is something extra in this box I don't see in the picture. Happens all the time. So let's see what the surprise is going to be. I don't know if they do it on purpose. They must. Okay. Oh, the purple. Oh my gosh, this does not look like it does in the box. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I've never seen this one. This kind of looks like vintage Venetian seed beads. I have them in this color. What have I used them in? I've used them several times, but I don't remember the exact projects I've used them in. Anyways, they look exactly like this. They're beautiful. It's purple opal color. It's very beautiful. Love that. Oh wow, and these are super cool. Oh my gosh. No way, there's two? They're connectors? I've never seen that before. I'll show you. There's two jump rings on the back of them. Or not jump rings, but two rings. These leaves are nice. They're actually nicer than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be like filigree, but they're not. They're actual charms or connectors. They can be used as connectors. Okay, so I'm going to dump this out. Again, the theme for this box is Morning Frost, and I would say that they did a really good job with the colors. I would say that that name describes this box very well. These are beautiful. I love those. Oh, here's the mix. And there's that faceted bead I was talking about. There's two of them in here. Okay. Those leaves are so cool. And I love this mix. Last month, did you guys see the last curated bead box? It was really cute. There were seed beads in it, and really pretty mix of seed beads. I really liked it. A ton of different colors. And it looked so good together. Anyways, if you did not see the last box, I'll put a picture up now. So this time they gave us a Morning Frost theme, right? Here is the mix here. Look at how beautiful these are. Those are beautiful together. I love that color mix. It's actually new to me. I've actually never seen those colors together. So, those are really nice. Alright, more large hole faceted crystal Chinese beads. And those are just amazing. Okay, we have gemstones in here. And this is usually sorted by size. So yes, I see 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. And then there's 2 8s, so that would be this. And I think this. And then 6 millimeters. That one's pretty too. That's really pretty. Okay, so like this. So the first one is 10 millimeter sea foam glass pearl bead, 8-inch string. This is pretty. I think I have this color in my stash. Very pretty. And then 10 millimeter ice crystal crackle glass bead, 8-inch string. Perfect choice for this box. Very cool. Okay, and then 8 millimeter stone glass pearl bead. Is this right? Yes, okay, I see. The next one's violet jade style glass bead. So this is stone glass pearl bead, 16-inch string. So it's a gray pearl, basically. It's a nice color. It's very silvery. So it looks like it's metallic. Okay. And then this is the 8mm violet jade style glass bead, 16-inch string. So beautiful, this color. I've never seen that one. That's really pretty. Okay. And then 6mm primrose jade style glass bead. Is that right? Yes, okay. So the next one says something different. So again, this is called primrose. And again, a reminder, you can reorder these. This one's also really gorgeous. But, see? Primrose jade style glass bead, 16-inch string. You can reorder it. Put the code in. This one's also very gorgeous. This actually looks like a nail polish that I've had. Okay. And then it is this here. 6mm milky white gemstone bead, 7 to 8-inch string. So I wanted to say this is like crystal quartz. Gemstone. Okay. So those are there's the next is approximate 1 ounce frosty designer glass bead mix. Then there's approximate 1 ounce dewy, that's funny, designer glass bead mix. So it doesn't say if it's seed beads or not. So I don't know, because it doesn't say. But there's 2 bead mixes. Okay, so I'll just open up one of them. It doesn't say like seed bead mix or like assorted beads. It doesn't say anything like that. Oh, cool. These are crackled beads that are dyed. And they look like they're gemstone. They actually look like they're crackled agate. But I don't think they are. Or are they? I want to say no, that they're glass. They're really nice though. These are like a rice or olive shape bead. Those are cool. And then we have these rondelles. I really like the clear rondelles. I'm going to make something with those. And then there's this here. This one here is a little cut on it, but usually they all look like this. I got these beads many, many years ago when I was a kid. They're really cool. It's actually like table cut or like a cathedral bead where it's faceted. They're really neat. And then there's pearls. A couple pearls. Okay. Let's check out the seed beads because I think they're really pretty. Now, some of these are dyed or color baked, but you can only get these colors by doing that. So like this purple one here is a painted bead. It's color baked, right? This one is too. It's painted on. This one is a Ceylon bead, and so is that purple one right there. But those are really pretty. So cute. These would be epic on a memory wire bracelet. There's a lot. There's a lot of beads in this bag. Yeah, I think we'll go pretty far. And right there's the memory wire, in case you wanted to do that. Okay. And then to the charms. 14 by 10mm silver, luster, bicone, faceted, glass bead. Oh, these. There's still more beads. These have big holes. That has a small hole. That's weird, because these have huge holes. Big hole, small hole, big hole, big hole. So 2 of them had big holes. Are they pretty? Very sparkly. These would actually go over this square leather, like leather lace cord. You know what I'm talking about? That bead would go over that cord. It is that big. Alrighty. After that, this one, 12mm Summer Moon Galaxy Glass Beads, 6 beads. Yeah, these are so beautiful. They're beautiful. Look at them, they're glowing. Isn't that pretty? And that's the whole size there. These are nice quality beads. I like these a lot. They do come in smaller sizes, of course. But look at how beautiful they are. Those are nice. Super nice. Heavy. Okay. And then I'm not going to see the charms. 12mm summer. No, I read that. 24 by 14mm leaf silver metal charm. 8 charms. Okay, that's the leaves. And then 26mm 3-leaf silver metal pendant. 2 pendants. So that's this. I want to check this out because I got to show you guys. I saw that there's these 2 little rings. I've never seen this before. See the rings? 2 rings. I wonder what their intentions were for that when they designed this. They're really cool. And I like that they're a matte silver instead of just being a regular silver. It makes it more interesting, you know? I think that right here I would connect the veil. And then down here I think I would do a jump ring and make dangles on the back with beads. Or they can be done as earrings. That's really neat. Yeah, those are epic. Okay. And then the leaves. So I thought those were going to be my favorite, but these two are also really nice quality. They're thick, they're heavy. I thought they were going to be like filigree, but they are not like filigree at all. They are really nice quality. How many's in the bag? 8 charms? That's insane. For $1? That's crazy. I could see 4 for $1, but 8, that's amazing. So they're double-sided, which makes it even better. They're thick quality, as you can see. There's all these holes. Instead of just using them for charms, I would use them for connectors. Right down here, see this hole in the leaf? That's a big hole. You could put a jump ring there, right? You could do more with these. They're beautiful, really nice. Okay, and then that was the last of the charms. Now it goes on to the findings kit, and I always go through this in case you're new to the video, but this box always comes with a findings kit. And it's everything you need to make jewelry except for tools. There is memory wire, which is what I was talking about putting the seed beads on. There's bead stringing wire, and it's like a yard, maybe 4 feet. I haven't actually measured it, but it's a good amount. There's head pins that have big heads on them so the beads don't slide over the head. There's crimp beads. There's earring findings. There's elastic cord and lobster claw clasp. And of course, there's jump rings. So this is it. What a beautiful mix of beads here. This one strand, though, I have to say, this one purple strand here, this one, that one is my favorite. That is so pretty. And I like the seed bead mix too. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this opening. Remember, I'm going to link this box down there below in the description bar, and you can get 35% off of it, your first box. It'll save you $7 off your purchase, and the coupon is AGERM35. Again, I'm going to link the box and the coupon code down there below in the description bar. Okay, so please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.